You see that? Infected just hopped that fence.
Oh, means we can get in that way.
Shouldn't we hear gunshots or something?
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
¡Agarradlo! ¡Bien! ¡Cuerpo!